This is Mrs. Ball with your math lesson for today. Let's go ahead and get started. Our standard is 1MD1. Order 3 objects by length. Compare the lengths of 2 objects indirectly by using a third object. Our essential question is, how can the length of objects be compared? Our I can statements are, I can put objects in order by length, and I can use one object to compare the lengths of 2 other objects. So what we're going to do, we're going to use pages in our Big Go Math book to assist us with this lesson today. In my Big Go Math book, I am on page 370. You can pause the video and you can turn to page 370 so you can learn with me. Now, we will do numbers 1 through 6 together, and you're welcome to turn to page 371 and do that on your own. So we're going to do numbers 1 through 6 together. So let's look. Model and draw. Order 3 pieces of yarn from shortest to longest. Draw the missing piece of yarn. All right, right here, I have the shortest piece. I have the longest piece. So what about this one, the one in the middle? It needs to be longer than the red, but shorter than the yellow. So let's draw a line. All right, so I have drawn the missing piece. So now, let's do the same here. Let me erase this line so we can draw some fresh ones. All right. So right here, we need to draw 3 lines in order from shortest to longest. So first, we're going to start with the shortest. So let's draw a line. We'll stop about right here. Now, the next line is not quite the longest. So what we'll have to do, we'll have to make it a little bit longer than this one that we just drew. So let's keep going and stop. Now, the longest line, we need to make sure that it is longer than both of these 2 lines that I just drew. So I'll start here, and then I'll drag my pencil all the way out to about here. So we did that from shortest to longest. Now we have to draw the lines in order from longest to shortest. Okay, so my longest line, let's draw that one. And it's about right here. Okay, so what's going to come next? This one, number 2, or number 1? Right, the one in the middle is going to stay the same. So number 2 is in the same position. Okay, so it's about right there. And now the shortest piece is last. Okay, so we've gone from shortest to longest to shortest. Awesome. Now, like I said, those are the examples that we did together. You can turn the page and you can complete the rest of them on your own for extra support. So what I'm going to do now, I am going to show you your assignment for today. And it is in Schoology. Okay, so this is the teacher's view, but your view will look a little different. And the title of it is Dog, Elephant, Mouse Measurement. Now, so this is my paper. This is what it looks like. And I have a dog, an elephant, and a mouse. And I have words. Now, I can use these words more than once. The blank is the shortest. Which one of these animals is the shortest? The dog, the elephant, or the mouse? That's right, the mouse. So let's drag that word here. The blank is the longest. So which is the longest? The elephant. So I'm going to drag the word elephant right there. Now, the blank is shorter than the blank. Let's see. The mouse, what is the mouse shorter than? The mouse is shorter than the dog. Now, the blank is shorter than the blank. So, let's see. What is the dog shorter than? The dog is shorter than the what? So I want you to drag the word. The dog is shorter than the, figure it out and drag the word there. Let's start off with this one. The blank is longer than the, okay? So we know that the dog is longer than what animal? Is it longer than the elephant or the mouse? It is longer than the mouse. Now, we know that the elephant, what is the elephant longer than? It's longer than one of those animals. You take the word and you drag it. Make sure that you review and make sure that you finish your assignment, okay? All right. So Mrs. Ball will see you next time.